This is outrageous. Somebody's made a psychedelic mess out of half the city and a mockery of justice.
Not only that, Mayor, the culprit painted my black and white baby blue.
Snooker, he must be stopped.
No problem, Mayor. Just as soon as I find the culprit.
Here I am! Grafui, the great graffiti artist!
Okay, Graffiti, what's the deal?
A simple one. You simply pay me $1 million or the entire city will get graffitier.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'll stop you and it won't cost a cent. Now hear this. Surround the building and send a detective up to my office.
Ha ha! You waste your time because I am also a great escape artist.
Relax, Mayor. I'll put that ham in the slam. Now that's what I call a realistic painting. Lieutenant Mumbly? I sent for a detective, not a defective. Mumbly, since I have to take my suit to the cleaners, you get Grafui. He just ran through that door.
Yes, sir.
The mutt. Wait till he smacks into that painting like I did.
The city's prize statue shall now get graffitied. Ooh, that sounds like the famous mumbling dog detective, Mumbly. But that is impossible. Nobody could tell me. Oops. It feels like I have been tailed.
Another muffin tail.
I have been tailed. My, what a silly-looking subject. I shall remove it. There, voila. It can't be.
What's your number for your barrel? Gotcha.
Au contraire, Monsieur Mumbly. I have you. Au revoir. Now to continue my graffiti spree, since I am free of that relentless lieutenant. Into the litter with the rock of the litter. I shall call this painting The Greatest Escape. And now for my getaway plane. Perhaps I speed up my graffiti find by spray painting the city. And since this is Saturday, I shall paint the town red. This player sprays the wrong way. So, funny flat feet, you are still on my tail, eh?
Look, what you gonna get your weapon feathered one?
A little paint remover will remove you, while I remove myself. Now, I will paint myself a getaway car and make my getaway. If I must say so myself, and I shall. That was very clever of me, no? Yes. Mumbly! This time you have gone too far, Monsieur Dog Detective. So, I will send you away with this time machine. Let us say 1,000,000 years away. Now that Mumbly is gone forever, on this, the tallest building in the town, I will paint my greatest picture. A picture of me. Ha-ha! Magnifique! Perhaps instead of $1 million, I should ask for $2 million. Sacre bleu! It can't be! Sacre pink, it is! That Mumbly is relentless! I surrender! You have beat me! Go ahead! Lock me up!
Why you son of a dragon?
You have a better idea?
My pain doesn't tolerate.
Ho ho! I will do it!
Congratulations, Chief Snooker. You did a splendid job of reforming Grafui, the graffiti artist. Only a super-duper detective could talk him into cleaning up our city with a fresh coat of paint. Why, he even painted my office.
Thanks, Mayor. It was a rough job, but not for a colorful character like me.
Ladder.